kids, do you want to be a good reader? The first step that you need to do is to memorize the letter sounds. They will help you how to read well. So let's go. Let's study the letter sounds and meet some animals. So kids, watch, listen, and learn more. I hope you will enjoy our lesson today. Have fun! A. The sound is A. The beginning sound of the word alligator is A. B. The sound is B. The beginning sound of the word bear is B. C. The sound is K. The beginning sound of the word cat is K. D. The sound is D. The beginning sound of the word dolphin is D. E. The sound is E. The beginning sound of the word elephant is E. F. The sound is F. The beginning sound of the word flamingo is F. G. The sound is G. The beginning sound of the word gorilla is G. H. The sound is H. The beginning sound of the word hamster is H. I. The sound is E. The beginning sound of the word iguana is E. J. The sound is J. The beginning sound of the word jaguar is J. K. The sound is K. The beginning sound of the word kangaroo is K. L. The sound is L. The beginning sound of the word lion is L. M. The sound is M. The beginning sound of the word monkey is M. N. The sound is N. The beginning sound of the word newt is N. O. The sound is O. The beginning sound of the word octopus is O. P. The sound is P. The beginning sound of the word penguin is P. Q. The sound is Q. The beginning sound of the word quail is Q. R. The sound is R. The beginning sound of the word rabbit is R. The sound is S. The beginning sound of the word seal is S. T. The sound is T. The beginning sound of the word tiger is T. U. The sound is O. The beginning sound of the word umbrella bird is O. V. The sound is V. The beginning sound of the word viper is V. W. The sound is W. The beginning sound of the word wapiti is W. X. There are two sounds of the letter X. These are X and Sh. This time, we are going to use the sound Sh. So, the beginning sound of the word shantus is Sh. Here are some examples of the words that we hear the sound X. Max, wax, tax, fox, box, seeks. Y. The sound is Y. The beginning sound of the word yak is Y. Z. The sound is Z. The beginning sound of the word zebra is Z. British people pronounce it as zebra, but American people pronounce it as zebra. Therefore, zebra or zebra are both correct. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from me. I'm teacher Clarentita Raphz saying God bless everyone. Keep safe always. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye!